Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Lamitor-DT 25 tablet. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Torrent Pharmaceuticals Ltd. Lamitor-DT 25 tablet. Uses. Lamitor-DT 25 tablet is prescribed for a variety of neurological and mood-related conditions. It helps manage epilepsy, bipolar disorder, migraine, and trigeminal neuralgia, a nerve pain condition. Benefits. In bipolar disorder, Lamitor-DT 25 tablet works as a mood stabilizer. It helps control extreme mood swings and reduces feelings of agitation and depression. In epilepsy, it decreases the nerve impulses that cause seizures. With regular use, it helps reduce fits, jerking movements, confusion, and fear, improving your ability to lead a normal life. Side effects. Like all medications, Lamitor-DT 25 tablet may cause side effects. These can include skin rash, headache, nausea, vomiting, dry mouth, dizziness, blurred vision, and difficulty sleeping. If these symptoms persist or worsen, contact your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Lamitor-DT 25 tablet exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Dissolve the tablet in a glass of water before taking it. You can take it with or without food, but try to take it at the same time every day to maintain consistent levels in your body. How it works. Lamitor-DT 25 tablet is an anti-epileptic medicine. It works by reducing abnormal electrical activity in the brain. This helps control seizures and stabilizes nerve function, making it effective for both epilepsy and mood disorders like bipolar disorder.